Hellcat, say something. Ask Tyrannosaurus to spare my life, will you? When he attacks later, tell him to go a little easy on me. Don't worry. The two monsters down there are the 6 fiends of Inazuma. The silver one is Hellcat, ranked number 6, ruthless and vicious. The big guy beside him is the Inazuma Tyrannosaurus, incredibly powerful and extremely dangerous. You're not seriously thinking the 3 of us can take them down, are you? I declare the mission cancelled. Do you think if we go back like this, Khalid will spare you? Just leave it to the 3 of us. What? Are you tickling me again? Hey, big guy. Sorry, my slipper fell off. Where did that kid go? The slipper is still over there. Quick, lend me your car phone so I can contact him. I didn't bring mine this time because I was worried they might track my movements. And don't you also have an old car phone? The old one? I sold it to Juan Recycling. My iPhone 16 Pro sold for more than $460. Their price was really fair, higher than any recycling shop I asked before. Besides phones, I've also sold my tablet, laptop, and even luxury bags on Juan. It's especially suitable for people like us who want to sell idle items but find it troublesome. Anyway, listen to me. If you have unused stuff to recycle, I recommend Juan. Don't worry, I'll report it to him. As for the repairs, I'll leave that to you. No problem. I know this kid. His father is still being held by the people above us in Chua. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Dragon Taming Charge. Rushing through Chai Mountain with 1 strike. This time, it's over. Hey, brother, could you tell me how to get to the gas station? You've successfully angered me. Don't get tangled up with them right now. The priority is to retrieve the rotary engine inside that kid's body. The 6 fiends of Inazuma are not opponents we can defeat. Should we ask Khalid to send more reinforcements? If we need help from the beginning, then in the future we'll have even less chance of challenging them. Today, you must be destroyed. If your heroic spirit refuses to disperse, then come on! Dragon Taming Surge. Shock Attack. Binding coils layer upon layer. Each coil a heavy strike. Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. Take your hatred with you down to hell. This guy is really hard to deal with. What do you mean 2 ounces against half a pound? You're all going to die. Retreat! It's over. You killed him. The 6 fiends of Inazuma will not let you go. There are still 5 more strong fighters like Tyrannosaurus. If you need it, I can help you. Volkswagen CC. If you're not dead, stop pretending. Boss, there's a new mission.